how to, so I don't blow.
Okay, hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a little intro, 2 parts of this episode. So, part 1, we got the intro, this is the tour, and then part 2, we have the fireworks. As you can see, if you can see them over there, they're popping off some poppets. I'm gonna get to those in a second, but first, happy July 4th, everyone. It's currently July 5th today, but happy yesterday, I guess. Anyways, so today, my step-parents, well, one of my step-parents and my dad were working on this. They got the campfire lit up. They got this, which is actually really beautiful. And then we got.
I thought that looked cute.
We got this firework table. We got this for decoration. Another decoration little thing. Okay, the pool over there. And then we got where we get the towels right here. Oh yeah, and we're currently doing the sparklers right now. So, but then I forgot this. Video what?
Yeah, look, get a video. I'm gonna write something. You ready?
Okay.
Hold on.
I think I'm guessing it's Austin.
Yep.
She spelled my name.
Hold on. That was a heart.
Wow, she as you know, my step parent Kiowa is actually a really good artist. Trust me. She's been in a bunch of art classes, or she just learned it on her own. Maybe someday we could actually upload a video of you doing some art.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Hey, Kiowa, is this a dud mortar?
What do you mean?
But anyways, let's get to the poppets, shall we? Okay, so I guess we're gonna get straight into the poppets.
Dude, that's a mortar, Austin.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna shoot a plane to the sky.
Oh, what is this?
Okay, so are those like the big ones or no?
Hey,
What?
did you guys do the smoke bombs and stuff yesterday?
Yeah. Okay, I'm filming it on video right now. They can see you.
Is there any smoke bombs?
I don't know exactly what everything is. Oh, look. Hey,
Yes, sir.
why do these look more like strings than wicks?
Some of them do. Some of them are like that.
Okay,
Wait,
so
actually, I think you're supposed to pull this and it pops out.
could I have a poppet?
Yep, take them.
Okay.
Those are all yours.
That is a lot of poppets. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so now that we got the
Watch this. You ready?
yeah.
You got it?
Mhm.
3.
2.
Everyone look. 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! Confetti!
Whoa, let's get this thing started.
Yeah, let's get this started. Boom shakalaka! Pop! Oh, come on. Pop! For the memes on this channel, Kyla, this will not hurt. Oh, come on. What? Sure. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh God!
Move, everyone.
It's gonna shoot a plane to the sky. Oh my God!
I think that one was
That's kind of
done.
scary. Like, where'd it go?
They're supposed to pop. That one just didn't. I think that one was dud.
No, that's just supposed to happen. No, that's just supposed to happen. That's all they do.
Oh, hey, is that one of the ones that the little guy falls down and you gotta find him?
No.
I hope we have some of those because those are my favorites. We have to find the parachuting on the
Try another one. Maybe that was we have a whole thing of rockets.
Woo! Again, hey Kyle, stand still. Oh, come on. Why does it not work?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah? I'm watching this. Let's see.
See, it's
Oh my gosh! Okay, the viewers are gonna definitely like that one.
No, they're gonna like the freaking. Wait till he gets the mortars. He doesn't understand what.
Oh yeah, mortars are amazing. I love them.
I never saw a mortar before. Okay. Boom, shakalaka. Second shakalaka. Third shakalaka.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see what 2 looks like.
Oh, go, go, go!
Whoa, what the freak?
I'm sorry if you guys didn't see that one technically, but oh my gosh, they literally bumped into each other.
Did they?
Yeah!
That's why the other one went the other way. It's because the first one bumped into it.
I dropped my poppet.
It's so rainy. You need my umbrella.
Oh, really? Okay, we need to get into the big boys soon. Okay, so let's see it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's up there. Woo! Okay, the viewers saw that one. Okay, what do we got here?
Hold on.
Do you have any sparklers in that?
We're gonna do this one at the bottom. It's called Hot Shots.
Oh, those are big.
All right. Thank you, Sissy.
This is gonna be like an hour long, by the
Are
way.
you ready?
This is gonna be like 1 hour long. Okay, while you're setting it up, I'm gonna show my poppets off again.
I'm ready, Austin.
Yep. Okay. Isn't that sort of like a sparkler thing?
This ain't very sturdy. I don't like it.
It looks very small.
Huh?
It looks very small.
It is very small.
I wonder if it's gonna do anything big. Because small means big and big means small. Oh my gosh. I told you. That isn't. Oh. How much are those?
They came in a package. That was good. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show off one more poppet. I'm trying to get done with my poppets.
Kiowa, you ready for one called Hot Shot? Huh?
You know what? That reminds me of something.
Called Hot Shot.
How many hot shots can you give Kiowa, huh? Let's see. Every spark it is equals. Okay, that's a lot of hot shots. How many are you removing?
That's actually pretty cool, right?
It was honestly pretty lame compared to what else we have here. It caused a lot of smoke though.
Oh, hey, this one looks kind of cool.
Okay.
I mean, it's a small one. Yeah, who knows? It may be kind of cool.
Oh, that looks really small.
Yeah, it is really small.
Okay, I'm gonna do a sparkler while watching this next one. Okay.
Okay. Are these not cool to you, huh?
Sparklers are really cool, you gotta be honest.
Hey, babe.